So good day everyone, my name is Jim Buslin I from IB College of Mindanao, Bachelor of Elementary Education. If I had the opportunity to meet in any historical figure, I would choose Dr. Jose Rizal. He is the one of the greatest heroes of the Philippines. He was the writing doctor and patriot who used his intelligence and writings to inspire Filipinos to fight for freedom and equality. His famous novel No Militare exposed the injustice and avoids experienced by Filipinos during the Spanish colonial period and encouraged people to seek change. I also admire his well-known quote. She said, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan because it reminds us that the youth have an important role in building a better future. He has encouraged the love for a country and believed in the power of education to inspire me to become a better student and responsible citizen. Good day everyone, my name is Jimbo Sulinay and today I will be answering the question if I could meet any historical figure, who would be and why? I chose Dr. Jose Rizal because it's proved that words and knowledge can creating positive change. Even though he faced many challenges and degrees, he's remained brave and stood up for what he believed was right. Truth is writing, especially no limitang and el filibusterismo. He has encouraged Philippines to take the critical fight for justice and love their country. His dedication to the Philippines motivates me to value education, take wisely, become a responsible citizen, and live by his belief that ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. First, I would ask, what inspired to write in Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo? I would I want to know what motivated him to write those powerful novels and how to stay determined despite the risks. And second, I would ask, what advice would you give to the youth of today? I believe this answer would help young people understand the importance of education, integrity, and serving the nation. Would make you proud and that problem to learn. If you could see the Philippines today, what changes and make you proud and what problems do you think we should continue to solve? I think his respect respective would encourage us to appreciate our progress while continuing to work toward a better future. Conclusion: Dr. Jose Rizal continues to influence society through his writing, his values, and his love for the Philippines. This remind us what knowledge, courage, and patriotism can make a difference. His life inspired me today. Heart. Respect other and do my part of help improve my community and my country. Thank you for listening and God bless.